Hello guys, how are you today?
Hi guys, I'm trying to film this video in 1080p and 60 fps because I want to try this way to film. It's obviously more fluid and the video looks, I don't know if it looks better, but the only thing that I know, it looks a little bit fast. And here in this city, as obviously people think that you can film because it's so awkward. So now here I'm resting and there's my dog. There's the sky. Maybe it will be raining in a couple of minutes. And so here we go.
Living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every